In this episode, we're going to show you how you can make your own DIY sound absorption panel for less than $5. Let's go! If you saw our last video, you saw our awesome canvas print with the uncanny ability to absorb sound. This is actually a great solution to have sound absorbing panels that can actually look quite nice. Here's the things you'll need: scissors, fabric glue, canvas print or painting, and cheap towels from your local thrift shop. And don't worry about the color since these will be on the back of the canvas anyways. First, we'll take the canvas and flip it over. Take your towel and lay it over the canvas in between the wood frames. Take a marker and mark where you'll be cutting them. Once you have the shape drawn out, grab your scissors and start cutting. Lay out your cut towel on the canvas to make sure their measurements aren't too far off. It's okay to have a little space in between. Repeat the same process until you have enough towels to measure the same thickness as the frame. When you're done filling the canvas with the towels, lay the towel over the canvas again, but this time we'll do the measuring just to cover the frame. This is where we'll apply the glue, so make sure there's enough space for the glue to stick to the frame. Next, we'll glue all the layers of the towel together. That way they don't move around when it's up. On the last towel, you'll do the same with the towel below, but we'll also put some glue on the frame itself. Lay the towel over and press firmly around the edges. Another option, instead of glue to hold your towels to the frame, is you can use some tape. This can work well to help keep a lower profile if you find the last layer of towel to be a little too thick. How many panels did you end up mounting? Comment down below or take a picture and use the hashtag AptLiving101. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll answer them for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.